If you want to give your clients the most comfortable application where they can fall into relaxation, it starts with your prep. I'm going to teach you how to apply eyepads comfortably without having to use an excessive amount of tape. This technique is going to require a premium quality iPad that's sticky enough to hold throughout your entire application, even with your most fidgety clients. I made a video comparing the most commonly used iPads to the ones I use every day so you can see the difference in quality for yourself. Make sure that the bottom lashes are brushed out really well in position facing downward so that they can all fit underneath the iPad. To start, we want to make sure we're holding the iPads correctly with our thumbs and our index fingers, placing our middle finger on the cheekbone. This will give you stability and also allow you to manipulate the skin under the eye as needed. When approaching the eye, you want to line up the curvature of the iPad to the curvature of her waterline. Securing the inner corners first, we want to slowly and precisely make our way towards the outer corner, keeping the iPad about 1 to 2 millimeters from that waterline. While our client's eyes are still open, our focus should only be on that waterline and securing each hair. At this point, you can have your client close her eyes and continue securing the rest of the iPad. You want to make sure there's no air pockets between the iPad and the skin. This will ensure that the iPads are not drying out throughout your application. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, you should know and be able to recognize improper placement of your iPads. Having to pry apart your top and your bottom lashes at the end of your application is not standard for professional lash extensions. Being able to avoid that alone will set you apart from majority of lash artists around you. Now, the final step before mapping out the set would be to do a walkthrough. If you find that any bottom lashes are sticking out from the iPad, you can take a curved tweezer and tuck them. I encourage you to watch this video as many times as needed for you to get this technique down.